So the third way to supercharge your strategy is to draw upon the evidence and the evidence-based principles, particularly in terms of engagement, because engagement is often the biggest concern that clients I work with have around, how can we actually get the employees to engage in what we've got to offer. And you can have the best initiatives, the best plan in the world, but if they don't engage, then that impact of your strategy will not be there. So one way that we can do this is using evidence-based behaviour change models. And the simplest that I know anyway, and the easiest ones to use, is the EAST model. And this model reminds us to make initiatives easy, attractive, social, and timely. So we'll go through quickly each of these. So the E for easy. Now, ease of engagement is the key in any initiative you introduce. And ways that you can really make it easier is by simplifying your communications, making things one click away rather than 5 clicks, or providing multiple opportunities for your employees to get involved. In terms of attractiveness, now there's 2 questions that I would ask myself about this. So firstly, the question is, what's in it for me? So if your employees can't see the benefits, why an initiative would be attractive to them, then actually they're probably not going to engage. So in your initial communications, make that clear. What's in it for them? Will it help them to save time? Will it help them to save money or improve their well-being? And then the second question for attractive is it pretty? And I know it might seem shallow, but actually when something is nice to look at and nice to use, but it's not clunky, then actually we're more likely to engage with it. So whatever the initiative, whether it's an online platform or a handbook, a dense PDF of information, make sure it looks good, and that will really help to capture your employees' attention. In terms of social, so making initiatives social is all about FOMO, which is the fear of missing out, for those of you who don't know. So it's human nature that when we see someone doing something, then we want to do it too. So we can really jump on this instinct to help employees engage. So it's all about creating a buzz about the new initiatives that you're going to be rolling out. Maybe you could run teasers about it, getting testimonials from employees that have engaged, getting people to really shout about how great it is, and then also thanking and praising those who do engage with the platform. And then finally, we have timely, and making initiatives timely is so important for all of us. We are very pushed for time. I don't need to tell you that. So we need to find ways to break down time as a barrier, because it is the biggest barrier that we have at the moment. So for example, could you run an awareness session in 20 minutes rather than 60 minutes? Or could you block out time in people's diaries, or keep the initiative flexible in terms of when employees can engage? So remember, to boost engagement, using the EAST model is very important. So making those initiatives easy, attractive, social, and timely.